1901. That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiating.
Excuse me. You don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429er.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Oh!
Don't shoot!
Prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake. I am
We know you have
C-3PO.
this rebel spy on board.
I've never seen that creature before. Look here. Gotta go!
Don't underestimate my power.
No!
I want that spy!
Run, Sato! Someone could get hurt! Run, speed, Arthur! Hold on. Thruster malfunction. Thrusters? Are they important?
Star Tours, this is a restricted area. What are you doing here?
I have no idea!
Stay clear of the combat zone.
Combat zone? Oh, no! We've been hit! Brace yourselves! Nobody move! I mean everybody move! Lean back! Oh, to do something! The transmission.
This is Cassianando with an urgent mission from the rebellion. With each day, the Empire grows more and more powerful. We need your help right now to fight back.
Right now? But we...
Head to the coordinates I'm transmitting to you. Together we can win this. I'm counting on you.
Wait! We're just tourists! I don't like the look of this. Yes, I do believe these are Virgo. Virgil are the legendary space whales. Quite extraordinary. And so serene. Oh no!
Star Tours, it's 2 against 1 here. Could use some help.
Oh, we need to ever end!
Star Tours. Appreciate the help.
R2-D2, don't you dare!
Safe travels. Good to see you again, R2.
We will be landing shortly. I do hope you have enjoyed your flight and... Thank the Maker.
That's my ship.
On behalf of Star Tours, thank you for joining us.
Until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.